Query successful. Try again without apps. Have you ever checked your bank statement and found a charge you know you didn't make? That feeling of panic is immediate and totally understandable. Fraud and unauthorized transactions are a reality in the digital world, and when they happen, you need a clear, reliable process to get things sorted out. If you bank with Regions, what exactly should you do? And what happens behind the scenes once you report an issue? At its core, Regions handles fraud and disputed transactions through a multi-step process focused on reporting, investigation, and resolution. The absolute first step is quick action. As soon as you spot a suspicious or unauthorized charge on your account, whether it's a debit card, credit card, or ATM card transaction, you need to report it. Regions gives you a few convenient ways to do this. You can often file a dispute directly through Regions' online banking or the mobile app, which is fast and lets you submit the details right away. Alternatively, you can always visit your local branch to speak with a banker or call the specific customer service number for your card type. Once the claim is filed, that's when the investigation phase begins. Regions looks into the transaction, gathers evidence, and determines whether the charge was genuinely fraudulent or an error. Now, this is a crucial point for debit and ATM card disputes. After you file your claim, you will receive a 10-digit claim ID number. Keep this number safe, as it's your key to checking the status of the investigation. To help ease the financial stress while they work, Regions often issues what's called a provisional credit to your account for the disputed amount. This means you have access to the funds while the investigation is ongoing. However, it's important to remember this is provisional. If the investigation later determines the charge was legitimate, say, for a subscription you forgot about, or a purchase made by a family member, that provisional credit will be reversed, and the funds will be debited back from your account. The final stage is resolution. Once the investigation is complete, Regions will contact you in writing with the results. If they confirm the transaction was unauthorized or an error, the credit becomes permanent. They'll also credit your account for any associated fees. If the provisional credit is reversed, they will explain the findings. Regions also offers tools to help prevent fraud in the first place, like the Regions Lock It feature in the mobile app, which lets you instantly lock your card for specific transaction types, like online or ATM use, if it's lost, stolen, or you just want an extra layer of control. They also utilize automated fraud alert systems to text, email, or call you if they detect suspicious activity, giving you a chance to confirm or deny the transaction right away. So, while no bank can prevent all fraud, Regions has a structured approach with multiple reporting options, a formal investigation process, and safeguards like provisional credit and lock it to help you recover quickly and secure your accounts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.